Our Morton building is used for fun. We have had multiple parties out here, both for birthdays. My wife, we had a great big 50th birthday party. Thanksgiving, it's a time for family, but friends. We have Friendsgiving out here, and we probably have close to 200 people that show up. We use our space to entertain and to have fun, and we get compliment after compliment on our Morton building. We've had, I would gather to say, 1,000 people come through this property since we built it in 2015. Friends and family, guests. And the compliments that we get, naturally, someone always asks me, hey, who built this building? And I tell them Morton Buildings, and I always recommend Morton Buildings because of the quality and the construction process.